Let's open this package up and see what we got inside. Included in the package is an information card from Bright Buoy Diving, one sticker, I went with the yellow tang color. There are 17 color options that someone can choose from when shopping on the Bright Buoy website. I bought two 2-pound weights and one 1-pound weight. The cost of these weights with shipping was $63. Subscribe to stay in the water with me, hit like if this stoked you out, and let me know what you'd like to see in the next video in the comments below. Thank you as always, folks, for tuning in. We appreciate your support, and I hope you have an amazing day.
Whoa.